Hello, good morning students. असाइनमेंट फॉर क्लास 8 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश। टॉपिक है आज हमारा पॉलीथीन ए डिज़ास्टर। समरी ऑफ द लेसन। Polythene has many harmful effects. It is the cause of diseases like malaria, cholera, etc. It also increases the infertility of soil. Besides, it plays a major role in the blockage of water systems like sewerage and water pipes, causing flood during moderate or heavy rainfall. As we can easily see that rivers, lakes and small streams have become dumping sites of polythene bags. It has become the cause of several problems for plants and animals living in and under water. Polythene pollution has widespread and myriad effects on ecosystem. Polythene pollution through biomagnifications enters the food chain and increases along the trophic levels. Polythene debris can transport organic pollutants in the seas and oceans. Many marine organisms like biorozoans, barnacles, polychaetes, crabs and mollusks inhabit on plastic and are transported along with the ocean's current to new sites where they act as alien species, upsetting the ecological balance of the site. Polythene, a petroleum product, is a suspected human carcinogen or cancer causing agent. In studies with mice, polythene has been linked to cancer of the colon when these bags come in direct contact with food, as in packaging. Chemicals within the bag can leach out into the food and contaminates it. When burned, they release cancer causing gases. Polythene can also cause AIDS and thrombosis. Questions and their answers. Question number 1. What is polythene and who discovered it? Polythene is a tough, light, flexible, synthetic resin made by polymerizing ethylene. It was discovered by a German scientist, Hannes von Pachmann. What does question number 2 है, what does Rakesh's father expect from the kids? Answer: Rakesh's father expects from kids that they will stop using polythene bags and encourage others also to do so. Question number 3. Why is polythene widely used? Answer है, polythene is widely used as it is cheap and easy to carry as well as to dispose of. It is also used for packing. Question number 4. What is biodegradation? What is biodegradation? Biodegradation is the process of the decay of things easily and naturally without harming the environment. What are the harmful effects of polythene? Polythene has many harmful effects. It does not decay and decreases the fertility of soil. If burnt, it pollutes the air and it chokes the drainage pipes of. If thrown in water, it is a cancer causing agent and affects water organisms as well as retards the growth of plants and animals on earth. थैंक यू। तो बाकी क्वेश्चन इसके हम कल करेंगे। ओके।